Hey guys, what's up? It's Jadrian. I'm feeling a little, not sad, but my emotions and feelings are definitely on the surface today. I'm just feeling blah. So I'm going to be making sweet potato brownies because my dad bought me some sweet potatoes. So I have sweet potatoes and I googled to see what I could make, and I saw this recipe for sweet potato brownies. Another healthy dessert, essentially. This recipe is coming from the website My Natural Family, and it is called the Best Ever Sweet Potato Brownies Recipe. And then in brackets it has video, so it has a video to go along with it, but we're gonna make our own video. I'm supposed to bake the sweet potato. I have preheated the oven, and I'm just gonna go ahead and peel the sweet potato. The recipe calls for a medium sweet potato. One medium sweet potato baked, which would be the equivalent to a cup. Looks like a pear, like a brown pear. Oh yeah. Look at that.
If these are any good, which I'm sure they will be, but I'm gonna have plenty of potatoes. I'm gonna be able to make this 3 more times, which is exciting.
I hope we have tinfoil. I know that a lot of people don't like sweet potatoes, or it's like one of those things that you either like it or you don't, which I can understand why you wouldn't. My thing that I don't like that most people do, I really don't like avocados. They just, I don't know. Ow. Okay. Oh, no, she's bleeding. I tried to film this earlier, but I just was really tired, so I took a nap instead, but I'm back now. Let's see. I am back and better and ready to show you guys how to make these brownies. And I have the sweet potatoes, poked a hole in them, put them on a pan, and they're in the oven. It's got 6 more minutes for that, and then I'm gonna flip it over. I cut it in half to make the time go, to make the cook time faster, because it said it's supposed to take like an hour to do that. If you wanna make these at home, then what you will need, 3 eggs, and then coconut oil, honey. This is organic honey. I don't think it really matters. Once again, you can make this as healthy as you want it. Vanilla extract, all-purpose flour from King Arthur flour, cacao powder, or cacao, salt, baking powder right here, and then I'm gonna be adding in some dark chocolate chips that are 53% cacao, just to make it even more chocolatey. So directions say that this should be 1 cup of this, so I'm gonna just straight up put it in here. Oh my god. See, this is why I stopped doing this earlier, because I lost my patience. If I don't have a whole cup of sweet potato, I'm just gonna move forward. I recommend only doing this if you have patience, because it's definitely not easy. We're gonna put the sweet potato flesh in this mixing bowl. Gonna get it all out. Let's just see. Let's just see. Okay. Oh, please don't get any of that shit in there. Okay. 1/3 cup coconut oil. I'm just gonna do regular oil. It's a lot of oil. Got that in there. 1/2 cup honey. Okay. Honey. And I'm gonna help it out by scooping it. The vanilla extract, which is gonna be this small guy. Teaspoon versus tablespoon. TSP. Okay. 1/2. I'm gonna mix that up. I don't know if you can see all that. It smells pretty good. Yeah. I'm going to put this in here and I'm just gonna scoop this and put it in here because that's where we are. So that I can blend it up really well, like it wants me to. That ought to do it. Okay. So it basically looks like a milk. Next, we combine the flour, 3/4 cup. Just clean this bowl out, so it should be okay. 1, 2, 3. Cacao powder, 2/3. Okay, 2/3 in there is the 1 tablespoon of salt, which should not be confused with tablespoon because it's teaspoon of salt. 1 TSP baking powder. Now, moment of truth.
Can you see it?
This is what it looks like. And now I'm going to combine it. Okay, now I understand the folding technique. I did ask for a mixing bowl for Christmas, so that should solve a few problems that I'm having. I mean, it looks pretty good. So I don't have a better angle, one-man band right now. Look at that. That looks delicious. Oh yeah. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this right now? Dare I say it was all worth it? Okay, I'm gonna add some of the chocolate chips in it. Just look at that. Just look at her. Got my instructions over here, my mess all over here. Should be good. And it goes in the oven for 15 to 17 minutes, probably only 15 for these. All right, in they go. All right. Yeah, it's definitely more on the cakey side. I like them. I think I would learn from my first attempt and make this again.